guys, welcome back to the Happy Oyster. Today I'm doing a 2022 room tour. I guess we'll start off with my closet. There's a mirror on the inside. I have an IKEA closet system. Keeps all my clothes organized. I have a shoe rack. Here's the rug I made in my past video. If you want to know how to make this, make sure to go check it out. Here's where I keep my earrings and my perfumes, my hat and my backpack and purses, as well as my sugar glider robe. I wear this when I handle my sugar gliders. A sign that says all that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is everything. What we think we shall become. Here's my drawers where I keep my bottoms and swimsuits and stuff. And then this kind of doubles as a bench. So I also have some cushions here. Keep my blankets up there, just some extra storage. Oh look, there's my macrame fish. You wanna know how to make that? Go check out my other YouTube video. There's my closet. We'll move on to my shelves here. I have my stuffed animals, my fish, my owl, and my sea turtle. I keep some yarn in here. I have my little angel holding a seashell, my little light up rainbow, and my salt lamp. This is where I keep all my coloring books and drawing books and stuff, as well as a few notebooks. I have my I Love the Sea book back there, and my little pirate ship, some little animal figurines, and then my half skeleton, half not skeleton dolphin. This is where I keep all my stuff for my microscope. This is a box of random stuff. These are my sea turtles. I have some scrapbooks, me and my daddy. These are my movies, my cool stingray, and there's my little wax warmer. I love this thing, it makes my room smell so good. This is where I keep all of my sketching stuff. All of my sketchbooks are in here, including my old ones, some sketch pads. I keep all my scrapbook paper in here, as well as some pens. Use all my scrapbook stickers, as well as some other stuff that I use for scrapbooking. I have a lot of scrapbooking stickers. Here's where I like to keep my diary, as well as this sticker book. I like to put these stickers in my diary. Here's these pens that I like to use inside my scrapbook. Also have my artist's loft bag that I like to keep my pencils and stuff in. Come down a little lower and there's my trash can. I got some stuff in there, I need to clean that out. Got this little gray stool. I've got my giant shell collection in this basket. Here's my window. My parents built the window valance. I made these lights from a little kit I bought a while back. Down here on my windowsill I have this little glass pelican with a fish in its mouth. Then this really cute container that I like keeping my chapstick in. This is what it says. Here's my big comfy chair. I have two pillows, one that says good vibes and one with some leaves on it. I love this chair because it swallows me whole. Okay guys, look at this ring light. Like, this is the coolest thing ever. It comes with the remote. And you can change the setting. Is that not freaking cool? This thing is so cool. Then this is my side table. My parents also built this. My mom stained it, and I sanded it down to make it look like this. It's cool because it's made so it can go underneath the chair. Like that. Next to it is my tropical leaf bin that I keep some of my extra blankets and stuff in. Then my other shelves. And then I have this cool glass globe with these fish and coral and stuff in it. And some of my books that I'm kind of currently reading. And these are my remotes to my lights and stuff. This is my remote to my TV. This is my remote to my ring light. And this is my remote to some LEDs. On my next shelf, I have a box here with all my stress relief toys like my squishies and fidget spinners. Then some pictures. There's a picture of me and my family being goofy. There's a picture of me and my best friend. Here's a picture of me and my little cousin. And here's some seashells. This one has like really cool carvings and stuff in it. This is a wooden one. And this is my Pirate's telescope. Sorry for the bad lighting. I just realized my room light was turned off and that's why it was so dark. But now you can see a little bit better. On my next shelf, I've got another basket with more yarn. A Dream Big sign that does not have batteries but does light up. This mermaid. I think it's really pretty. And this really pretty shell. And then on my very top shelf up here, I have this fake plant. I have this real plant that I really need to water because it looks like it's dying. My giant treasure chest, which you've probably seen in some of my past videos if you follow my channel. And then this is an art piece that me and my mom did a while back together with pastels. This is my ocean poster. And then I guess I'll just move on to my bed. Here's my loft bed. My parents built the ladder and the bed all by themselves. My parents have built a lot of my furniture in my bedroom. Anyway, so I have this book holder with some books and my light over there. This is my comforter, and I have a giant purple blanket underneath this and a light purple blanket on top. I sleep with a lot of blankets and pillows, okay? I get cold in the middle of the night. And then over there I have a sign that says, for, if it would focus, for in dreams we enter a world that's entirely our own. Do y'all know what that's from? Next is my hanging bedside table, which my parents also built. I have this little vase that looks like the ocean or the beach. Then I have this little chest that I keep basically whatever in. I like to keep my chapstick and stuff in there. And now I'm coming down to my sugar glider cage. First of all, here is my happy oyster sign. You've seen this from the very start if you follow my channel. It used to be in the middle, but I kind of moved it over to the left so it would go right over my sugar glider cage. Speaking of which, my mom actually sewed me a cage cover so that they won't fling food onto my wall at night. What I love about this so much is the fact that it can easily be thrown into the wash since it's just fleece. Second, you can untie the two sides and let it hang down in front. I mean, it's been stretched out a little bit, but you get what I mean. Hang down in front so that they're way less likely to fling food out here. I don't know when I'm going to show you this, so I guess I'll just show you now. I got them a new toy. They had little rings, like plastic rings that hang on these little hooks, and they like taking them off and taking them into their pouch, so I guess y'all are considered tail carriers? Anyway, I just wanted to show you that real quick, but they're being cranky. Moving on to my Mammals poster. I really like this poster because the color scheme is really pretty and it goes good with my wall color. Also, it's just cool because it's got all the mammals on it. Then this is my macrame light. I also made this. I wish I had a YouTube video on it, but I don't right now. I may make one eventually. Then this is my laundry basket. Boring. And this is Marty the Ball Python's terrarium. If you follow my channel, and then you would know what he looks like. And right next to it is my TV. Then I have some storage. And here is some kinetic sand that I like to play with. And here's just some random stuff. And here I keep my, I think, phone cases and some Polaroid camera film. And here it's just more junk. Okay. And then in here I keep a lot of my stuff for my snake, like his giant spray bottle and some extra vines and leaves, his moss, his feeding tongs, some supplements, oops, another spray bottle, an extra heat bulb, his temp gun. And in here is a lot of the stuff for the sugar gliders, like their pellets, some more food, some feeding bowls. Oh, Marty's first shed's in here. Okay, that needs to go in here. You know, you get the gist. And then in here I have an extra critter carrier and a tiny little critter carrier, and then some, I guess, extra water bowls. They used to be my hermit crab water bowls. So yeah, in here this is a lot of different stuff. This is my old phone holder used to make videos. It actually needs to be thrown away. I have two pairs of scissors. One of them's not mine. A hot glue gun, a bunch of paper, beads, permanent markers, paint supplies, more beads. I have no idea. A bunch of random stuff, honestly. But, you know, whenever I need something, I can just look in here and it's probably in there. Next is up here. This thing holds my Polaroid pictures. It actually lights up. Oh, it looks like it needs some more batteries. Anyway, yeah, that lights up. and it attaches from my bed to my Stranger Things calendar. And you know, I know it doesn't really go with the rest of my room, but Stranger Things, who doesn't love Stranger Things? Next thing is up on my ceiling. It's just a net that me and my mom attached to our ceiling, and I like putting my stuffed animals in there. I have a little stuffed animal mermaid, and a little flamingo, an octopus, a red panda, and a fish. Sorry about my family in the background. I've told them multiple times I'm trying to film, but they just keep forgetting. Next thing is my collage door. This is probably my favorite part of my room. I don't know why, I just love it so much. I feel like my door was so plain before, and now it looks really cute. I also love that I can just walk up to my door anytime and look at happy memories. Next part is this really cool shelf my mom built me to display all of my animal figurines. Like I said, my parents built a lot of my furniture in my room, and she built this and it looks really cool. I also love that the animals over here, it kind of balances out my Mammals poster. Next thing is my whiteboard. Hey, look at that! Subscribe! Anyway, my mom built the frame to go around it so it would look good. What a surprise. Got some colorful dry erase markers. I made these little polymer clay magnets. Ooh. I made these polymer clay magnets, and then these are just regular ones. I just added some glitter to this one. Right down underneath it is my table that folds down. Underneath, I'm gonna try to show you how this works. Stays up like that, and then you can just take this out. Oh, sorry. And then it folds down. Saves a lot of room, actually. And then right up here is my shell decoration that my mom gave me a while back. It's really pretty. I love whenever it makes noise. I know I didn't mention this earlier, but I do keep this lei on my door handle. Okay guys, that's it for my 2021 room tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video.